Moving on now, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is leading a protest rally in Kolkata in response to what the Trinamool Congress described as continued targeting of migrants from the government in BJP-ruled states. The party is set to organising demonstrations across West Bengal. Recent reports of alleged mistreatment of Bengali-speaking migrants in Odisha, Delhi and Maharashtra appear to have prompted the party to initiate this protest mobilization. Now, the TMC has said that the protest was not merely political, but a broader campaign to safeguard the cultural identity and honour of the state. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee over the past few weeks has repeatedly condemned what she described as attempts to label Bengali-speaking individuals as outsiders or Bangladeshis. Take a listen.
लोग रहते हैं इसी के लिए कि इंडिया का एक सेकुलरिज्म परंपरा है, लेकिन बीजेपी का अभी कहना है वो भाषा का राजनीति भी कर रहा है। बंगाल के खिलाफ में ऐसे तो चलता है, क्यों मेरे को पता नहीं है, लेकिन साथ साथ में बंगाल का जो माइग्रेंट वर्कर है और स्टेट में उसको ले जाता है काम करने के लिए बिकॉज ऑफ देयर स्किल, लेकिन वो जब बांग्ला भाषा में बात करते हैं वो हिंदी भाषा में भी बात करते हैं, लेकिन आपस में जब बांग्ला भाषा में बात करते हैं घर का आदमी का साथ, तो उसको बांग्लादेशी कह के बांग्लादेश में पुशबैक करते हैं। ऐसे बहुत सारे इंसिडेंट अभी हमारे पास आया और इसको हम उसको ले आया, लेकिन आज भी ऐसा इंसिडेंट हुआ कि 300-400 लोगों को राजस्थान में एक भवन में रुक के अटक करके रख दिया। ये क्या हो रहा है? They have their own identity. They are not Bangladeshi. They are from Bengal, and Bengal is a state of India.
The Chief Minister will also take on the streets of Kolkata from College Square to Dorina Crossing. She will also protest against SIR in West Bengal that is about to start before 2026 Assembly election. Abhishek Banerjee will accompany Mamata Banerjee in the rally. Mamata, along with all others, will walk for 3.5 km around 12 p.m. onwards. The opposition leaders in the state have meanwhile spoken out against the TMC's stance.
रोहिंग्या के सपोर्ट में मिছিল कर रहा है। हम लोग रोहिंग्या के खिलाफ हमारी मोर्चा होगा। ममता बनर्जी जो कर रहा है रोहिंग्या मुसलमान को सपोर्ट बचाने के लिए कर रहा है, इसका साथ बंगाली का कोई रिलेशन नहीं है। बंगाली हिंदू को बर्बाद कर रहा है ममता बनर्जी।
Let me quickly go across to Suman Mahapatra, joins me live with more details on the same. Suman, help us understand, is this just about the alleged targeting of the Bengali-speaking migrants, or are there deeper political undercurrents?
Look, Neha, the rally is going to start around 12 o'clock. From 1 p.m. Mamata Banerjee will start walking. Now let me tell you, today is 16th July and after 5 days there is the annual Shahid Divas of Trinamool Congress on 21st July. And Trinamool Congress normally avoids any political interactions before 21st July. But they are coming to the streets, and Mamata Banerjee, National Secretary Abhishek Banerjee, they are jointly holding this rally. So there are deep political things. Let me tell you first two things, that before today, Mamata Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee hold a rally on the January of 2024. I mean, after 1 year, they are going to walk on the streets of Kolkata and both accompanied by each other. Now, Mamata Banerjee is stating that the recent incidents of Delhi, Maharashtra and Odisha triggered her to hold this rally. Now let me tell you that Mamata Banerjee is trying to hold the political sentiment of the Bengali people, the Bengali sentiment that we are Bengali. And if you say what is the thinking of Mamata Banerjee, she is stating day by day that the Bengali speaking migrants are being heckled and mistreated in the BJP ruled state. So she is targeting BJP politically, and this rally is nothing but the campaign of the 2026 Assembly elections. But before 21st July, Mamata Banerjee trying to what can I say? Trying to describe the idea of Bengalis, describe the sentiment of Bengalis. The rally will start at around 12 o'clock. The rally will start from College Street. This College Street is an important area. The University of Calcutta, the Presidency University and other heritage buildings are there. Then the rally will continue to Dorina Crossing. Dorina Crossing is the heart of the city, the Esplanade. So this is a clear
Right,
message
Suman.
for BJP that this is going to be the agenda of upcoming assembly election, that Bengali sentiment will fight over the political vendettas of BJP.